Hi friends, welcome to Sir Cantron LDC classes. In this class we are going to see some objective questions of commercial department for our coming railway LDC exams. Okay, let us start the class. Question number 1. Minimum distance for booking of a sleeper Tatkal ticket in CAP is the code of Kanyakumari, MS is the code of Egmore. Kanyakumari Egmore express running 730 km is option A 300, option B 650, option C 500 and option D 1000. Friends, in Tatkal scheme the minimum distance for sleeper class is 500. So your answer is option C. Question number 2. Minimum Tatkal charge in second class is option A rupees 15, option B 30, option C 10 and option D 20. Minimum Tatkal charge for second class is rupees 10. Question number 3. General quota booking opens at what times for a YTSK Yatri Ticket Suvidha Kendra? Option A 8:30, option B 8 o'clock, option C 10 o'clock, option D 8 o'clock 15 minutes. Answer is your option D 8:15. What percent of basic fare is the Tatkal charge for third day subject to a minimum of rupees 300? Option A 15, option B 30, option C 45 and option D 10. Answer is your option B 30. Question number 5. Premium Tatkal quota for AC classes opens one day in advance of the day of departure at what time? Option A 8 am, option B 10 am, option C 11 am and option D 10 pm. Premium Tatkal quota for AC classes opens one day before at option B 10 am. Friends, for AC classes Tatkal start one day before at 10 am and for sleeper classes Tatkal start at 11 am. Okay. Question number 6. Only dash type of tickets are issued under premium Tatkal quota. Code is PT. In premium Tatkal quota, always we get confirmed ticket. CNF is the code for confirmed. Okay. So the answer will be option A. Question number 7. Under PT, under premium Tatkal quota, dash booking is not allowed. Which type of booking is not allowed in premium Tatkal quota? Option A e-ticket, option B counter ticket, option C both, option D none. Answer is your A e-ticket. Question number 8. Dash ticket are issued for travel in Suvidha trains besides second or superfast train in some cases. Option A confirmed, option B RAC reservation against cancellation, option C wait list, option D all. Answer is your option D all. Question number 9. Preponement and postponement is permitted up to what hours before the scheduled departure of the original train during working hours of the PRS center? Friends, preponement means before you change your train journey date before. Postponement means you change your journey date after. So here question asking how many hours before we can do that. That means we can change our journey date. Option is A 36, option B is 48, option C not allowed and option D anytime. Option B is your answer. 48 hours before we can do it. Question number 10. Fresh reservation charges is collected on what type of ticket for preponement of journey? Option A confirmed, option B RAC, option C wait list, option D none. Here answer will be option A confirmed. Question number 11. Change of class is permitted on a dash reserved ticket only once. Option A confirmed, option B RAC, option C both and option D none. Here your answer will be option A confirmed. Question number 12. Name change for general public is permitted only among his or her. Option A family members, option B friends, option C distant relatives, and option D anyone. Your answer will be option A family members. Question number 13. Name change is not permitted on dash ticket issued for a specific purpose. Option A concessional, option B tatkal, option C both, and option D none. In concessional ticket and tatkal ticket you cannot change the name, so here answer will be option C both. Okay. Question number 14. The clerkage for second class unreserved ticket is rupees what per passenger? Option A 30 rupees, option B 15 rupees, option C 10 rupees, and option D 60 rupees. The clerkage charge for second class unreserved ticket is rupees 30. So your answer will be option A. Question number 15. A confirmed ticket presented up to how many hours before the scheduled departure? 50% cancellation charge is levied. For 50% concession charge, you should have to represent before 4 hours of the scheduled departure of the train. Okay, so your answer will be according to the option C. Question number 16. Clerkage charges of rupees 60 per passenger will be collected irrespective of the distance for which type of tickets? Option A RAC, option B waitlist, option C both, and option D none. Friends, for RAC tickets and waiting list ticket, both cancellation clerkage charges is same, that is 60 rupees. So according to the option, your answer will be option C both, RAC and waitlist both. Question number 17. When a train is late by more than 3 hours, dash refund is granted. Option A full, option B no, option C partial, and option D 50%. When a train is late by more than 3 hours, full refund is granted. So your answer will be option A full. Question number 18. In case of missing a connection en route, refund for the untraveled portion is granted up to how many hours from arrival of the incoming train? Option A 5, option B 3, option C 4, and option D 2. Your answer will be option 3. Okay. Question number 19. Refund is given up to 3 days excluding the day of departure of the train in case of option A cancellation of trains, option B missing connection, option C both, and option D none. When a train is cancelled or when the connecting train is missing, in both conditions refund has been given. So your answer will be option C both. Cancellation charge on luggage ticket is rupees what per luggage? Option A 5, option B 10, option C 15, and option D 20. Your answer will be option A rupees 5. Okay friends, these are the 20 questions which is very important for your exams. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe my channel and share it for other friends. Okay, thank you.